If you've got one of these and it has one of these, I've got a quick and easy solution for you. I'm Chris and welcome to another Toolbox DIY how-to video. Today I'm going to show you how to make these repairs. Today's example will be done on this TPO roof with just a few tools and a couple materials. Let's get started. What we have today, some denatured alcohol to clean the TPO surface. We have a Scotch-Brite pad to roughen it up. We have a 2-pound steel roller for pressing down the tape and a rag. And then we've got this EternaBond RoofSeal. I've already cut this to the size that I want. You'll see here is our cut in the roof. I'm going to overlap it by about 2 inches on every side. We start by scuffing this area up. Give it a clean with some denatured alcohol. You can also use acetone or lacquer thinner. Now, if there are stains on the roof, you don't have to get the stains completely out, but we do want to clean it thoroughly to make sure that this roof seal adheres as well as it can to this TPO, so we don't have a leak and we've got a permanent seal. Okay, with that clean, we want to let this dry. With denatured alcohol or acetone, it won't take long to dry at all. They evaporate very quickly. In fact, that's already dry. So now we take our pre-cut piece of EternaBond and we peel off this backing. We're going to want to put it right there. So I'm going to peel the backing off. All right, we've got that. Now we take our steel roller, we work that in there as much as we can. This is going to create a permanent bond. No water is going to get in, and it's going to be extremely difficult to remove this patch. In fact, it's so difficult, you do have to make sure that you get it put in the right place the first time. There, this ought to do it. It's stuck all the way around and in the center, just what we want to see. Quick and easy, like I said. Thanks a lot for stopping by, and stay tuned for more Toolbox DIY how-to videos.